Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is still following here this bullish wave count for now. Again, just to emphasize, I remain highly skeptical we have to remain highly skeptical about a bullish scenario here until we break above 1280. Yeah, so and until we get above that level, we have to remain highly skeptical. And then, to be honest, we also need to break above the 50-day moving average, which has provided a lot of resistance for other cryptos here recently. So it might be that we have to have Bitcoin and Ethereum break above that 50-day moving average until before we see other coins breaking above it as well. So anyway, we are currently following here the scenario of a possible breakout. This is not confirmed yet. The bullish price action is too weak, but from an Elliott Wave count of point of view, we can make it work. But again, key level here is the 1280 level. Until we get above that level, we have to see it only here with a lot of skepticism. Nevertheless, I'm following it because there is a chance. I'm telling you that while a lot of people still expect lower prices, including myself, I'm at least considering here the option of a bullish breakout already, because it's possible and it is more likely than it ever was here in the last 8 months, I would say, since that overall correction started. So where are we here now? So in my opinion, we are following here exactly still that wave count that I presented to you yesterday. Ethereum broke out a little bit more than Bitcoin out of its structure, which and Bitcoin still has to follow though. So until Bitcoin follows, we have to be on high alert that this whole breakout here that is happening at the moment could still be reversed. So if we take a quick look at the Bitcoin chart, we can see that Bitcoin still, here it's this 20.4K level that Bitcoin needs to get above. Ethereum pretty much here already moved above that. Here we had the 1108 level that was important, and yeah, since then it's actually starting. But again, until Bitcoin really breaks out as well above 20.4K, we have to be on alert that this whole possible breakout that's happening here at the moment could be reversed again. So we're currently following this here. No change really. Showed you yesterday that this could have been a 1-2. I believe we have here within this another 1-2 setup. So obviously within the wave 3. The wave 3 itself has subwaves. So we have our wave 1 here. We have a wave 2 here. However, unfortunately, the next wave is also a 1-2 because we have too many overlaps here. Here, 2, yeah, and the problem is that this here might become another 1-2 now with that overlap. So yeah, it's getting a bit it's getting a bit messy again, putting doubt on the bullish wave count here. Yeah, and alternatively, in the end, what might happen, just to pre-warn you, we might in the end be able to construct all of this as just another wave 1 to the upside, meaning that this wave 1 here will actually move over here. I'm not sure about that. Might happen because it's just getting a bit too messy. But for now, until we break below 1123, which is this wave 2 swing low, we can focus on higher price levels. Target for that wave 3 here, I think we talked about that yesterday. Let's just check that again. Is 1285 at least, yeah, in the 1.618 extension. So for now, as I said, key levels to watch out for is this wave 2 low, which is at 1123. As long as we are above that level, we can focus on a still unfolding wave 3. However, even if we go below that, we could still, as long as we hold the 1108 level, we can actually also focus on higher levels. Yeah, so these are the two things. And then below 1080, it will just get very unlikely that this still is an unfolding impulse. It will then get a bit, the retracement in my opinion is then too strong, and we just have further sideways movement, and in the end we might have this head and shoulders pattern unfold. Yeah, that is possibly emerging here. It is much clearer, for example, on the ADA chart, but you have here your left shoulder, your head, and a possible right shoulder that might eventually come down to the neckline of $1,000. And this is what it is. Yeah, we currently don't really see that strength of a third wave that we would normally want to see. It could be the start, absolutely. I mean, at the moment, This is looking similar to this third wave a little bit. Here, the start of it, yeah. But it's a bit too early. What I would want to see is if we are, let's say we are maybe just here, yeah. We are here in this pullback, because it's all about fractals which always repeat. Then we would want to see a pump coming next, okay? And that pump should take us above the high of $1,200. And that would be another confirmation that actually here wave 3 is unfolding. And that's pretty much the update I can give you now. I'm going to follow up later today. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.